Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So, today we are going to continue with chapter 1 in history, that is how, when, and where. So, now we will study about the Governor General of India. So, all of you must be knowing that there have been different Governor Generals of India. Now, how do we actually classify them? So, we can either classify them or we can either divide them chronologically, that is from the order from where they had come, or we can divide them periodically, that is according to their periods, according to their number of years for which they have served the country. So these are the two ways in which you can divide chronologically or you can divide them periodically. So now we will study about James Mill. He was also Governor General of India in the time of 1817, that is during the year 1870. So he had divided Indian history into, I repeat, he has divided Indian history into three different periods, that is first Hindu, Muslim, and then British. So according to him, that is according to James Mill, Indian history had three periods, that is Hindu, Muslim, and British. So during the time of Hindu, that is there were very caste differences. If I was coming from a different caste, different background, and if you are coming from a different caste and a different background, there were so much of issues between us. So this is what we have studied, that is James Mill has explained that during the Hindu period there were so many caste differences. After that came the Muslim period, in which there was superstitious beliefs, religious intolerance, that is much of violence was there. Hindu, Muslim, India, Pakistan. So this was the religious intolerance. People were not accepting the difference of religions which they had. They were prioritizing the people who were belonging. And after that we had British period, that is in that time, during the British period, the civilization and development was happening. I repeat, during the British period, civilization, that is development was up. There was economic development, so roads were being constructed in a better way, and there was lot of technology and development phase going on in that. So this is what, according to James Mill, India has been divided into three periods, that is Hindu, Muslim, and British. After that we have India's three divisions on a general category, that is in a general category, ancient, that is something which we have studied already earlier in the first part. Then we had medieval period. In this period we had no growth of science, that is we were just living as normal as earlier. And then came the modern phase, in which there was democracy, there was liberty, there was freedom, and things like that. So again there are three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern India. So there are some learnings which we have from the British. So now what are these learnings? That is keeping official records. So with the from British we can have this thing, that is we can have an official record. So keeping official records, it was very, very important. After that we can have in the form of, not from of, it should be FORM, form of memos, notings, or reports. So there were different reports being made about what all things that were discussed in the meetings. There were different notes being maintained and all of it. So this is what, again, a type of record keeping which we should have. So, and every institution had a record room. So where all the important things, where all the important functions being carried out, it had a record room also. So these are the different learnings that we can have from the British. So now we will have a quick recap. So in this video we studied about the Governor General of India, that is James Mill. His period was from 1870. His India's three classification: Hindu, Muslim, and British. And then India's three divisions, that is ancient, medieval, and modern. After that we studied learnings from the British. So that was it for today. I hope you have understood it nicely. Thank you and have a nice day.